Hello guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So this video, let's do the weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Pisces for April 20 to 26. So kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon, Rising mo, sa dulo ng video, may link para mapanood mo. Readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And for private readings and spell works, message me. And Friday to Sunday, at Oh My Gulay in Session Road, we do face-to-face readings. And if you want to support our channel, you can click the join button or the thanks button sa baba. Okay, Pisces yung cards mo. We have here Encouragement and Magic Stream, Strength and Moonlight, um, Wandering Circus, Home, and Rock Bottom. At ang deities mo is si Ate Venus at si Kuya Eros. Okay, so anong bang i-expect natin this week? Actually, this is a progressive reading. So, mararamdaman mo pa tong reading na to in about, medyo matagal about 4 to 10 more weeks. So, medyo matagal yung progress nito. But, at mararamdaman mo siya around that time. So, mga almost 2.5 months din. So, and what are we expecting? So, we have here, una is number 54, encouragement. So, Pisces, medyo magkakaroon tayo moments of isolation. Parang feeling mo parang, ala, mag-isa na lang ako, or wala akong masyadong kakampi, or wala akong makasama, or whatnot. Now, it's okay. Kasi may sabi nga, all our emotions, they are valid. Kung naramdaman mong malungkot ka because na medyo parang may moments of isolation ka, that's okay. But, eto yung question doon, ano yung gagawin mo kapag nangyari yon? Kasi how we respond to our emotion, doon tayo magkakatalo-talo. Parang ganito yun eh, lahat tayo pwedeng magalit. Pero hindi lahat dapat umaakto tayo base sa galit natin, 'di ba? So the card of encouragement is advising you. Yes, there will be a moment of isolation. Now, think on how you're going to make the most sa moment na yon. Now, paano natin i-maximize yon? Well, we have here is si number 18, Magic Stream. So, andon kasi na there are some of you in the house of Pisces na kailangan nyo talaga medyo labas-labas kayo ng lungga nyo. Medyo kailangan yung, sabihin parang to socialite. Actually, what I'm getting here is may mga iba sa inyo, natatakot kayo um, in terms of money. Kasi baka gumasos kayo or whatnot. This is the reminder ng card sa'yo. It will come back. Babalik siya. Kasi, parang ano yan eh, parang binhi. Hindi yan tutubo sa kamay mo, te. Nandiyan lang siya, may binhi ka niya, sabi natin, may binhi ka ng mangga. Diyan lang siya. Yun lang, meron. Pero pero para gusto mo siyang dumami, gusto mo maging lumaguyan, maging punot at maging hitik sa bunga, kailangan mo bitawan. Kailangan mo i-let go. Kailangan mo siya itanim. Same thing then with your money. This is a call for you to start giving the money out. Start allowing yourself to spend. Kasi yun yung magiging investment mo. That will be the flow of the money. Yes, mas tama na nag-iipon, tama na nag-iisip ka in the next days paano gagastusin mo. That is correct. But yung sinasabi dito na you need to spend it on yourself. Sarili mo. Andoon na sinasabi ng card na do something that will provide that inner happiness, that fulfillment. Kasi remember, nasa 12th house, ikaw yung 12th house. You are not just about secrets. You're also about the spirituality. Kung anong binitawan mo, babalik sa'yo 7 times greater. So it's time to practice that on your end. Now, next card natin is 44, Strength. Well, I understand naman. Wait na maingay. I understand din na may mga moments sa inyo na bet nyo na parang um, maging emotional. There are people in this reading na parang gusto nyo lang umiyak minsan. Gusto nyo lang din na mailabas kung ano yung naramdaman nyo. Minsan gusto nyo lang mag-grant. Yung, ang bigat ng paramdam ko, bla bla. Alam mo, wag mo pigilin sarili mo. There are people around you na willing makinig sa'yo eh. There are people who can and will understand you. andoon lang minsan hinihintay ka na magsalita. Ayaw naman nilang na mag-poke sa'yo na, "Uy um, ano bang problema mo, blah, blah, blah." Kasi parang ang feeling nila, ayaw nilang i-invade yung privacy mo. And ayaw nila na parang mag-pry um, na i-push ka doon sa mga bagay-bagay. Now, the card is also advising, but dudugtong din natin isa mo pang card, so which is si Moonlight. Now, this card is also advising na, yes, andoon na may mga emotional baggages na kayo na kailangan nyo na i-let go. That's why, that could explain na yung iba sa inyo meron ng mga shortness of breath, andoon na nagkakaroon kayo ng heartburn due to hyperacidity. Actually, may nakikita din ako dito that medyo kailangan yun ipa-check na rin with the doctor in terms of your BP. Yun yung nakikuha ako dito. Kasi your emotions na nabibuild up na sa'yo, nakaka-affect na siya sa physical body mo. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung naalala ko na study, but sa parang sabi doon, hanapin ko na lang ulit, or i-search ko na lang na parang 70% daw ng mga sakit natin ngayon, it's actually emotionally rooted. Kaya merong isang nangyari na sa US na ano na siya, I think stage 3 na yung cancer niya. And hindi na nag-respond yung katawan niya sa gamot. Ang ginawa niya, instead na ma-depress siya, she find ways na mag-enjoy niya yung life niya. Ando na kung hanggat kaya niya, lumalabas siya to enjoy nature, nakikipag-mingle siya sa family niya, sa mga friends niya. Hindi na pinag-uusapan yung mga about yung sakit niya. Ang pinag-uusapan na is about yung life, the goodness of life, happiness. Pinipilit niya rin yung tumawa. Alam mo yung tipong kumuha na rin siya ng pet para magbigay yung pusa yata yung kinuha niya, na magbigay sa kanya unconditional love. Ginawa niya yun. The body, alam mo ending, yung body niya nag-respond doon sa chemotherapy niya. From stage 3, gumaling siya. Documented yun. Yung video na panood ko, nakakatuwa. So that's why the universe needs you to let go yung mga excess baggage of your emotions. Kasi yun yung kumbaga sa hot air balloon, sandbag mo yon na kailangan bitawan para umangat ka from your current situation. Okay? So, ano pa bang expect natin, Pisces? So, we have your number 15, one ring circus. Well, what I'm getting here is that may mga iba sa inyo or marami sa inyo, I think this might be either work-related, business-related, or family-related na yung responsibilities, yung duties, yung power to decide, ibibigay sa inyo in full capacity. Kumaga, sabihin natin, parang kang ambassador. Yung kung ano yung sinabi mo, papanindigan din ng presidente. So, eto na yung moment na you will have the power to make decisions, say what you need to say, implement what you need to implement. So, sinasabi ni Wandering Circus. Kasi, andoon na, napatunayan mo na in a lot of aspect na yung mga decision mo is not just because yun yung naka-base sa emotions. Na andoon yung mga making decision mo kasi based on the experience, black and white information. So, andoon na expect that you will be handed over the capacity to make that decision. Now, number 27, home. Literal Pisces, linis tayo ng house, linis tayo ng room. Yung mga sulok-sulok, paki-kudkod po. Ayan. Kasi this card is actually saying that one of the things that's also dragging down your emotions, sabi ni card of home, in connection kay Moonlight, is yung physical well-being ng environment mo. Andoon na kapag, alam mo yung tipo, ang hirap kayo mag-isip kapag ang gulo ng bahay. Ang hirap na mag-decide kapag maingay, di ba? Para makagawa ka ng proper decision. Same thing din, sinasabi sa'yo ng card of the home. This is a literal card na it's time that you, as an ambassador, ayan, nabibigyan ka ng power to decide. It's time that you also act like one. and take charge doon sa bahay mo. Doy, magbawas-bawas tayo ng mga dating kailangan na, ha? Now, next word mo is number 10, rock bottom. So, because kailangan mong, because maglilinis ka ng literal ng bahay mo kapag ginawa mo yon, doon na medyo magka-cut off ka muna din, temporary lang naman from your outside environment. Why? Kasi madidistract ka na naman eh. Baka mamaya andun yung point na kung nasa momentum ka na ng ginagawa mo, biglang may magme-message or magte-text or tatawag or whatnot, tas next thing, nakafocus ka na doon. So, medyo sinasabi ni Rock Bottom, medyo mag-isolate muna tayo if we need to turn off our phones for the meantime or maglagay tayo ng message, siguro sa messenger na DND, do not disturb muna, or to inform people na you'll get back to them, do it. So, andoon na yung kailangan mong tapusin in terms of your house, in terms of your room, magawa mo naman. Kasi importante siya because it's part of a new progress na gagawin ng universe sa'yo. Kaya tingnan natin, sino bang deities mo? So, si Tita Venus, number 4, beauty, value, and a wish to love. And si Tito Eros, 19, desire, playfulness, and a wish to connect. So, this is about, the Venus is about, ang self-love kasi hindi lang naman to yung parang magpa-facial tayo, kumain tayo, pa-pedi, mani, or parlor. No. This is also making sure that your environment is that it's also safe, it's also breathable, and it's also comfortable para sa'yo. So, yun yung gustong pinala sa'yo ni Tita Venus. Well, sinasabi din ni Tito Eros mo na, yun nga, you have some people na medyo namimiss mo na rin. Why not, after mo maglinis ng baler mo, why not contact them? Why not reach out to them? Mga musta ka? Kasi andoon na, yun yung i-break mo yung cycle ng mga tao din na, di ba, usually pa nangangamusta iba. Alam mo na ending yan, Mars pa utang. Break natin yung cycle. Be the one to start na nangangamusta ka because gusto mo lang mangamusta. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. So for private readings and spell works, do message me. And every Friday till Sunday at Oh My Gulay in Session Road, face-to-face readings tayo doon. And if you want to support us, you can click the join or the subscribe button below. Pisces, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be, and hope to see you soon. From Baguio City, you have a great day. Bye for now.